Hey guys, Deane here, and I'm gonna quickly show you how to make a salad mix at home. So what I have here is a whole bunch of different lettuces from the supermarket. The farmer's market is my favorite place to shop. More healthier, fresh, organic food, a lot cheaper too. It's a lot easier on the budget. And I've got just a variety of lettuces, small ones, big ones, different colored ones. So the next step is we're gonna wash them. 1 lettuce, 2 lettuce, 3 lettuce, 4 lettuce, and 5 lettuces. Then what you want to do is get a tea towel, you want to dry them off slightly, and then get your salad spinner. Okay. Put the lettuce in, bit of this, bit of that, bit of this one, where's the other one? And give it a spin. Okay. Lettuce leaves and the water is actually in that. Lastly, what you can do, guys, is actually put it in a jam jar. So we're going to fit it in here and put it in the fridge. It's easy storage. So there you have it. You've got a jam jar filled with greens, put it in the fridge, easy access for later on when you're hungry. It's all about being prepared. You know, it's the worst time to go shopping and to the supermarket is when you're hungry. So being prepared, taking this to work, keeping it in your car, it's a perfect option to stay healthy.